This video is designed to demonstrate the features and setup process of the Roam LR Commercial Irrigation Remote. The rugged Roam LR remote offers a line-of-sight range up to 2 miles with license-free LoRa radio technology. It provides simple connectivity to most Hunter controllers via the SmartPort wiring harness for remote management of projects of all sizes, allowing landscape professionals to manually start individual stations or programs, perform winterizations and spring startups, and streamline maintenance and troubleshooting without having to physically visit the controller. In this video, we'll show you how to do the following. The Roam LR remote receiver connects to Hunter controllers using a SmartPort wiring harness. If you're using an HCC, ICC2, or ACC2 controller, the SmartPort wiring harness comes pre-installed from the factory. If you're using an X2, Pro C, or HPC controller, the SmartPort wiring harness will need to be installed using the controller's REM and AC power terminals. For this example, we're installing a SmartPort wiring harness to our Pro C controller. To wire the SmartPort harness, connect both the red and white wires to the controller's 24 VAC terminals. Then, connect the blue wire to the terminal labeled REM. Order matters. Wires must be connected red, white, blue in order for the remote to perform correctly. After you successfully wire the SmartPort wiring harness to your Hunter controller, you're ready to install the Roam LR receiver. Prepare Roam LR for use. Remove the battery compartment on the bottom of the transmitter and install 4 AAA batteries. Push any button on the handheld transmitter to awaken the device. Next, install the receiver into the SmartPort wiring harness and listen for 4 beeps. Pause, and then 2 more beeps to confirm successful pairing between receiver and transmitter. Once the receiver and transmitter are successfully paired, the Roam LR system is ready for use to start controlling the irrigation system. The Roam LR's buttons are as follows. The square Stop button on the left is used to turn off the current cycle. The triangle Start button on the right is used to start the desired station or program. The up and down arrows are used to increase or decrease the station number, runtime, address, or program number. And the center Mode button is used to cycle through the functions on the remote. The LCD screen displays the following icons. The battery icon displays the remaining battery life. The key icon displays when setting the address number. The hourglass icon displays when setting the station runtime. The valve icon displays when setting the maximum station count for the controller. The transmit icon appears when starting and stopping a program or station. The P icon displays when selecting a manual program start, and the number icon indicates which program or station is set to run. Set max stations. With the Roam LR, you can command up to 240 individual stations. Before activating individual stations with the Roam LR, you need to set the maximum station number on the remote to match the maximum stations available on your Hunter controller. For this example, our ICC2 controller has 54 stations available. To set the stations on the Roam LR, push the center Mode button until the valve icon appears on the screen. Then, use the up and down buttons to select a maximum number of stations for your Hunter controller. Press the center Mode button to accept your selection and move to the next function. You can select the desired station number and station runtime to begin a manual cycle. In this example, you will select station 4 and set the runtime to 2 minutes. To select the station number, press the up and down arrows to select your desired station, and then press the center Mode button, which will accept your station selection and advance you to the program menu, which we will skip by pressing the center Mode button again. This brings you to the runtime menu with the hourglass icon. Use the up and down arrow buttons to select the desired runtime from 1 to 90 minutes. Press the Center Mode button to accept your selection, which advances you to the Max Station screen, which you will skip by pressing the Center Mode button once more, which will now show the station selected, which in our example is Station 4. Press the triangle Start button on the right to start the manual cycle. The receiver and transmitter are factory paired to the same address. For situations where multiple remotes are being used nearby, in order to prevent interference, the system allows an address customization from 0 to 127. To change the address, begin with the Roam LR remote and hold down the Center Mode button for 5 seconds, and the key icon will display on the transmitter LCD screen. Use the up and down buttons to select the desired address on the remote, then push the Center Mode button to accept your new address selection. Next, connect the Roam LR receiver to the smart port on the controller and listen for 4 beeps. Press the triangle Start button on the remote and listen for 4 additional beeps at the receiver to confirm a successful pairing. The Roam LR remote allows you to start an entire irrigation program without being at the controller. To start an entire program, press the Center Mode button to navigate to the program selection screen, indicated by the letter P, followed by a number. Then, select the desired program that you wish to manually start. For this example, we selected Program 4. Once the desired program is selected, push the Start button. Roam LR is a powerful accessory for any landscape professional managing large sites. Simply install the batteries into the handheld remote, install the receiver into the smart port, and now you're able to set run times for desired manual starts and turn on and off desired stations or entire programs without physically being in front of the controller. Having the ability to remotely manage your Hunter irrigation system is a game changer for any irrigation professional. Use the rugged Roam LR remote and gain the ability to manually start your irrigation systems from up to 2 miles using license-free LoRa radio technology. To learn more, visit hunterirrigation.com.